Greetings from Tyresö, Strandbadet, and this will be my view for the rest of the day for sure. It's a beautiful sunny day and I have come here with my Scott gravel bike. 17.5 kilometers, almost 18 kilometers, and it's a beautiful day here to be out on the sea, as the water looks amazing, as you can see. And it is beach number 88 on my Sweden beach adventures, and we are going in for a swim from the jetty over there. But first we're gonna check out the temperature of the water here and see how cold it is here at Tyresö Strandbadet. And yeah, beach number 88 on this 12th of August 2025. We are overlooking here the beautiful sandy beach, Tyresö Strandbadet, and let's see how much it's in the water. Oh my god, it is almost 18 degrees Celsius. Yeah, 18 degrees Celsius, so it's going to be quite difficult to go in for a 30-minute swim today, but I will divide that into 2 batches of 15. And yeah, it makes sense because it is the same water temperature on the other side in Erstavik where I was 2 days ago. Here we have beautiful clean Baltic Sea in Tyresö, that is, and it's currently 12 o'clock exactly, and not so many people are on the beach, and the jetty is empty on its own. And here we have also handicapped entry into the water, and there is even a small shop where you can buy some ice cream. And I was here, I think in May was it, and the water was also cold. It seems like the water is always cold when I'm here. And yeah, what else? So Tuesday it is 12th of August, 12 o'clock, 18 degrees Celsius in the water, and here we have also some rocky part of the beach where you can lay down as well. This is Tyresö Commune, Lifebuoy, and it looks absolutely stunning. We are overlooking Solsidan on the other side, the posh neighborhood where I was going to. And yeah, the beach as it looks like from here. There is even a floating jetty there that I will be swimming to, and I think I'm going to jump because why not? It is summer despite being only 18 degrees Celsius in the water, that is. So Tyresö Strandbad once again after 3 months, I think. Not sure if I was here in June or May, but ready, set and go! Whew. Amazing. That's cold but gold, as I would say. Perfect swim in the sea in Tyresö. And it's been so long since I was in Tyresö, as I was traveling, and when I was having the monthly card for SL, I was not coming here because I knew I would be coming here by cycling. So yeah, beautiful sandy beach and a pier also, I mean a jetty to enjoy, and even a floating jetty that we are heading to right now. 21 in the air, 18 in the sea, and I will be swimming here 2 times 15 minutes later today. But if you've seen my view from the beach, it looks amazing. It feels good also to lay a bit on sand, as I'm usually used to cliffs. And I'm on the floating jetty as well, so it's super nice view indeed. And there is even a port on the side. Beautiful. All right, so that is a wrap from Tyresö Strandbadet. I will be chilling here all day on this beach day 88. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris.